Hello everybody, it's Braden here with the T-Storm Chasers, just coming to you with a new weather video for today. Today is April 25th, it is Friday. We are just going to be going over some severe weather potential for this weekend into next weekend, the day 3 and the day 4 that we released earlier today. I'll be going over that and the risk factors associated with that, and then also taking a look at your temperatures and just what your weekend looks like before this severe weather moves in. So before all that, we are going to take a break for an ad from RF Custom Construction, so let's play that ad.
Everybody is looking for the perfect roof. You're only one call away. We're RF Custom Construction, and we've been transforming roofs in Sioux Falls since 2011. Our custom designs and quality craftsmanship redefine what a roof can be. And it's all about you, your style, your satisfaction. Ready to get started? Call us today at 605-366-9790. RF Custom Construction, custom designs redefined.
So thank you very much to RF Custom Construction for sponsoring today's video, and we're just going to get straight into the day 3 outlook for from this Storm Prediction Center. So there is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms across portions of southern South Dakota and central and parts of Nebraska here, and then pretty much all of South Dakota except for a slight sliver there on the western portions of South Dakota is in a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms. So isolated severe thunderstorms are possible across the warning area or the prediction area on Sunday afternoon into the early evening hours and then into the overnight hours as well. So we'll see those thunderstorms kind of develop in that slight risk area right on that border of the slight risk area there between the green and the yellow there, and then we'll see them move to the north and to the east. So taking a look at our future track just to show you that just what's going to go down for that on Sunday there. So this is Saturday, move it into Sunday here. So this is our 6 o'clock time frame. As you can see, those rains, slight rain showers here in the Sioux Falls area, but this is where those storms kind of develop there, right in the panhandle area of Nebraska, and then move into that slight risk area, and then move across to the north and to the east. So we'll see those showers and storms kind of get going down here and then move up to here. We're looking at more of a hail risk here on Sunday. They're going to be more of a hail producer, but the can't roll out a couple of tornadoes and some strong winds with those. So taking a look at our day 4 probability outlook, this is our bigger day. This is the day that we're kind of looking at to be a severe weather outbreak for most of Iowa here. These storms are looking to go linear into a straight line, as you'll be able to see here in a second on our future track. This is earlier in the day, about noon here on Monday, and as you can see, that linear motion here, just a big line of severe thunderstorms. You can see those kind of curling up here, so I'm guessing these are forecasting to be more supercells up here as well, but there you go. There's that line of storms as that pushes out of the area and leaves us on the backside with some rain showers here in South Dakota. So the reason that we are looking at this this risk factor is we are in that 15% risk, and that is just if the storms here form here on the backside, and if they do form farther to the west, we will be impacted by those storms. So that is why we are in that 15% risk area. And then also prefrontal development. If we get some prefrontal development going on, we'll get some more intense thunderstorms. So what this basically just says is that there's a jet streak here that will advect high theta E air northward across the Midwest into the parts of the upper Midwest that will help that high theta E air will help with the broken and scattered cloud cover across the Midwest as well to support surface heating and destabilization along the front, which means it's a better area for development of thunderstorms. So the greatest focus of severe weather will be in this region right here. That's where that air is focused or forecasted to come up and impact, and that's where the best chance of severe weather popping off will be. But that risk area is engulfed with us, just in case that air does make a more left-hand turn and we do get some of that prefrontal development, or even that development, the main line development. So that is pretty much what we are looking at. And then all modes of severe weather are capable of forming with this system, and supercells with strong tornadoes cannot be ruled out with this, especially with the soundings that I've been seeing, and then all of the different model runs showing these storms just popping off and going. We are looking at that as just a major red flag, I should say. And the Storm Prediction Center even pointed it out, I don't know, 7 to 8 days in advance of this, so very good forecasting by them. They are on top of it. They are on the ball. So, yeah, we are going to get into our temperatures now, just to give you a brief overlook of what's going to happen on tonight into tomorrow, and then on Sunday before those storms come. We will be seeing some good temperatures tomorrow. It'll be a nice day. 70 out towards Spearfish, 65 in Rapid City, so a little bit of a gradient there, but not too terrible. 62 in Aberdeen, 63 here in Sioux Falls, and 63 in Sioux City. 58 in the central parts of the state. Central part of the state is going to be experiencing more 50s than 60s, just because of that frontal boundary. So overnight lows into Saturday, they are going to be mostly in the 30s on the east side of the state, and in the 40s, very low 40s in the west side of the state. So 37 here in Sioux Falls, 37 in Aberdeen, 40 over there in Rapid City, 40 in Sioux City, and 42 in Pierre. So on your Sunday, still looking really warm for that west part of the state, as I went over it yesterday. 83 in Rapid City, 77 in Pierre, 71 in Aberdeen, 68 here in Sioux Falls. I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 70 though. 69 in Sioux City, and over there towards the Yankton area, 71. So just that western part of the state really going to be heating up, and overnight is going to be mostly in the upper 40s for most of our area, and even down south towards Omaha, maybe even to the 50s. So 47 in Sioux Falls, 46 in Aberdeen, 49 in Rapid City, and 48 in Pierre. So taking a look at your Monday, this is going to be very warm, just because of this storm development. 85 in Sioux City, 82 in Sioux Falls, 70 in Aberdeen, 71 over in Pierre, 63 in Rapid City. So we're going to be experiencing those warm temperatures before we get those thunderstorms, so you'll be able to enjoy your morning, but then watch for those thunderstorms in the afternoon, possibly severe thunderstorms. So just going to take a full look at your future track forecasts, just so you guys can see just in one big picture what's going to be happening, not just spaced out between those risks. So we will look here. This is midnight here into Friday. We're going to move this along. This is actually 6 a.m. on Saturday. Midnight into Saturday. So 6 a.m. on Saturday, you can see possibly some showers, little spotty areas here in parts of western South Dakota. We'll see those just pop up into your Saturday afternoon into Sunday. Maybe some thunderstorms here overnight. Nothing too crazy. Just garden variety thunderstorms into your Sunday morning, or your Sunday night into Sunday morning. So we will have some of those leftover rain showers lingering around on Sunday, possibly, as we get going into the day. Later on, as you can see, those thunderstorms start to develop. We'll have that low set into the central part of the state and move along to its starting position for on Monday. So this is noon here on Monday. Just a large streak here across western parts of the state here, and then into North Dakota, and then thunderstorms into Minnesota. But as those move along, we will start to see those storms move through the area and then bow out and exit our area into 6 p.m. time frame, which will leave us some showers on the back end, and that will clear out, as you can see, that high pressure system over the Wyoming area, just kind of clearing us out into our Tuesday. And that high pressure will stay around into Wednesday until we see maybe some showers here on Wednesday night into Thursday. So that is all I got for you guys today, and I hope you guys have an amazing night. Thank you for watching, and we will be updating you tomorrow. Riley will be here with you guys for a new weather video, just going over again some of those risk factors for Saturday or Sunday and Monday. So